Are you someone who has ever struggled with chemistry, felt confused with chemical equations, or wish that someone would just explain chemistry to you in a simple and clarified way? Then you are the right channel. Hi everyone, welcome to ChemElla Lab, the home where chemistry plays a script. I'm ChemElla, your chemistry tutor and storyteller next door. I'm excited to have you here with me, and I can't wait to enjoy this journey with you. I studied chemistry, and over time, I realized that students see chemistry as a hard nut to crack and as a subject that is scary and confusing. Chemistry is not just a subject or textbook with equations and formula. Chemistry is the foundation of everything around us, from the food we eat, to the clothes we wear, to the products we use, to the way we fall in love, and to something as simple as soup. All is chemistry at work. This channel is a space where I want to teach chemistry in a way that is simple, clear, fun, and relatable. And not just as equations or theory, but as something that we can see, we can feel, we can understand, and we can relate to. So here in ChemElla Lab, we hope to explore every adventure and stories behind each chemical reactions, and also give you the tips and tricks on how you can break down those complex topics into simple terms. How you can connect scientific terms to real life, because chemistry is life in motion. I'm also into making household materials and skincare products such as soap making, body cream making, hair shampoo, and this is where everything comes together. Soap making is not just a skill or a craft, it is a chemical process. So in this channel, I want to teach you how you can apply chemistry to life, and also tell you why each step works the way it does. My goal here is simple. When you come to my channel, I want you to find answers. I want you to find clarity. I want you to find solutions. I want you to understand every story reaction tells in the simplest, clearest, and most exciting way possible. And when you leave, I want you to leave feeling more confident in yourself. Whether you're a beginner, whether you're a student, or someone curious about how chemistry is connected to life. This channel is about creating values, simplifying learning, and helping students understand chemistry beyond the classroom setting. So if you are here to grow, if you are here to learn, if you are here to find solutions to that thing that never made sense before, you are still at the right place. Be part of our train as we dive into the real course of study, and also give you tips on how you can understand the language of chemistry. Welcome once again to ChemElla Lab, where chemistry plays a script you can see, feel, understand, and relate to, because chemistry is life in motion. If you are confused with chemistry, please follow me. Let us simplify chemistry together. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. See you in my next video. Bye.